Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find recent tabs on Google Chrome in your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a mistake. So guys, first of all, in order to check the recent tabs on your Google Chrome in your Android, first of all you'll have to open Google Chrome browser. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on three dots on the top right corner and then tap on recent tabs just above the settings. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to you'll find an option of recently closed and other devices. All you'll have to do is to tap on recently closed, and then you'll have to tap on show full history. And right here you'll have be able to find all the closed tabs on your Android, and you can easily check them or reopen them if you want to. And if you want to clear, you can easily clear by tapping on cross. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.